You don't need a parachute to go skydiving. You need a parachute to go skydiving twice. You're welcome. Okay, so we got our little grade built up here going into the garage, so that's awesome. Super windy again today, but it's nice because the temperatures have gone way down. It's only going to be a high of 18 Celsius today, so we were like pushing 40 for the longest time with crazy humidity, crazy hot for a couple months. Now it's like feels like fall almost. So we got the blocking all cut up. We're gonna sheet it in and then we'll go from there. Today's my parents' anniversary, so they're coming out, so we're gonna like make a pizza or something, make a pizza, maybe a cake or a pie, and make their day special as we can out here in the woods. So, happy anniversary to Mom and Dad, 43 years, not too bad. Me and Ashley are what? Me and Ashley are only 35 years away. So, you know, we'll see. She might be dead and buried by then. All right, done talking. All right, just want to show you something real quick. This here, I've been wanting a Yeti for a long time, but they're super expensive. This here's a lot like a Yeti, but way less expensive. It's from BougeRV, so I thought I'd share it with some people that have been looking for a Yeti without spending the high price tag. So this one's super similar. So it's leak proof, scratch resistant, impact resistant, keeps things colder longer than a standard cooler, right? Obviously use it for camping, fishing, tailgating, traveling, all that stuff. It actually can hold ice for 5 days, so that's pretty cool. Can hold 30 cans, 20 quarts, 5 gallons. Not bad. Got a couple cup holders on top. Pretty cool handle. These are super strong. They hold down good. Got a lock there. It's pretty cool. It's got a drain plug there. Just screws out. So it's pretty sweet. Oh, and the bottom has like grips on it, so it doesn't just slide around. My other cooler just slides all over the place. So anyways, I've wanted a new cooler for a while. Now I have one. It's just a pretty top-notch cooler for a way cheaper price. Anyways, you can get a discount below, and the link's below to go check it out if you're interested in the market for a new cooler. I like it. BougeRV, check it out.
So the gate is finally up and we love it. It looks so awesome. Just so happy. Over on the side here, you can see there's a bit of a gap. So not really sure what we're gonna do there. We're thinking of getting another post put in and then using our pine boards to run all the way up the 2 posts to make it look like a bit of a fence, which would be really cool. We're kind of thinking that, or, well, that's probably what we're gonna do. I suggested using one of the big, huge rocks we have on the land, but I think Jeremy likes the gate, or the fence idea, because it would just look so sharp. So that'll be at a later time. We gotta get this garage done right now. But at some point we will get another post probably put in there and use the pine and build it up, and it's gonna look real sharp. It feels like a real farm. The looks of that, it's like driving into a really nice ranch or something. I love, love, love it. Some people wanted to see where the shipping container used to be. That's it, right there. That's where it was. Doesn't even look much different at the front now, so that's awesome.
All right, that wall's done.
Yay, first wall, woohoo! That's exciting. Now we're gonna go in and eat pizza for his parents' anniversary.
Yeah.
That I made from scratch.
Yeah. Read the gate's up. You seen it anyway?
Yeah, love
Obviously
that.
it's up.
Yep.
All right, see you later.
See you in the next one.